More. Super cool. Yeah.
Well, there's a bull right there with the...
Yeah. Trundling through the mud. He's a big dude. Big old dude. Yeah, yeah. Just waiting on the traffic to get around. Whoop, 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 whoop. How's it going? Got a working dog up here too. Whoop. Yeah. Couple of the bulls are sparring up here in the mud. Oh shit. Whoop. Yeah. Yeah, he's having fun. And we got a girl up here on the horse too. Alright, once the traffic is next to me, I'm gonna fire up. Oh, they're just splashing through the mud. Dog's working hard. There's another group of them up ahead. I'm gonna go ahead and roll on the shoulder. Look at that dog. Good boy. Oop, another dog. Yeah, that's... Yep. That was awesome. That was pretty badass. I did. I fucking hope I... Yeah, I'm filming. Hell yeah. That was badass, dude. I did. That was super fucking cool. It is. That was fucking amazing. Wow.